video, we're going to go over 5 of my top favorite family indoor activities that are screen-free, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, my name is Karen and welcome back to our channel called Our House, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I like to do videos on homeschooling, and many of you out there are probably wrapping up your summer vacation. Maybe you had some road trips planned, some hikes, some nice outdoor activities. But here in Phoenix, it is currently 110 degrees. We are in the thick of summer, very hot days, and so what that means for our house is that if it doesn't include a pool or a water park, we are staying indoors where the AC is at. And you Phoenicians know what I mean. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my top 5 favorite things to do indoors as a family. And of course, these tips work year round, whether it's a rainy day or wintertime for the rest of the country, or maybe you're sharing a car with your spouse and you really can't get outdoors much. These are some fun activities to spend with your family and also maybe even sneak in a little extra learning. So let's get started. Number 1 is STEM related toys and activities. We are big fans here at our house of Codapillar and the Coding Mice and Snap Circuit Junior boards. These really entertain kids for a while, but not only will they keep them busy for a while, but they also enhance creativity and improve hand-eye coordination among other skills, so it's a big win-win. Number 2 is educational subscription kits. So no more poring over Pinterest, clicking endless links, getting together a supply list, running to the store, getting all of those supplies, doing the activity, and then you might have a lot of extra waste or things that then you have to find space for. We are big fans here of Mel Chemistry, for example, because these come delivered straight to your home. They have exactly the materials that you need, no more, no less. You can enjoy these activities and then sit back and wait for your next box. It's just so stress-free, it's so simple, and if you're like me, where science was never really your strongest subject, this makes it really easy to learn together as a family. And to get 25% off your first kit, please check out the link in the description below. Number 3 is Legos. Who doesn't love Legos, right? Well, if you live in a smaller house like we do, it might be a little challenging letting them build and build, because at the end of the day, if you don't have a lot of space to leave everything displayed, it can be a little heartbreaking for a child who's worked hard on something to then have to break it down or put it back into the Lego bin. So what we did is we went to Home Depot and we got a really large pegboard, but you could use wood, any other material, something just big where you can glue the base plates on them. And so they're able to build their Lego cities, and at the end of the day, we just put it right under their bed. It fits so perfectly right under their bed, and so it's out of sight, no one is stepping on it, and it is there for when they are ready to continue building onto that city. Number 4 is reading aloud together as a family. This is something I am a huge fan of. I've seen the benefits of it. We all really enjoy it. These are some of the titles that we have recently enjoyed, and we also have a read aloud journal where children take turns recording their thoughts and memories associated with us reading this book together. And this is all something that I think I'm really going to treasure and appreciate as they get older. Now, maybe you need to give your voice a break, you're not feeling well, or you have a new baby in the house and you're very sleep deprived, then you can do audiobooks. There's lots of great places where you can get free audiobooks. Some of my favorites are LibriVox, but also Hoopla. Hoopla is a library type app where you enter in your library card and you get a certain amount of borrows each month. And I love this because there's no scratch CDs, there's no late fees, everything is automatically submitted, returned at the end of the rental period, and then you can get new checkouts. So audiobooks are great. They have a great selection. I also really like on YouTube, and I'll link her below, Little Cozy Nook, and she actually has a lot of Robinson curriculum read aloud, so make sure that you check that out if you're an RC family. Number 5 is board games. Of course, who doesn't love a family game night? And some of our favorites are the Oregon Trail game. We love playing chess. Also, even if you're like me and not a fan of traditional Monopoly, they have a great electronic version now where there's no money to keep track of anymore. It's all electronic, kind of debit card style. It makes the game go a lot faster, so that's a good thing too. My kids really love this. So family game nights, charades, different games like that is a great way to pass the time. So there you have it, 5 indoor family activities screen-free to pass the time. So whether it's a rainy day or 110 degrees outside, These are some ways to have fun together as a family. I will leave links to all the resources mentioned in this video in the description below, so check it out and comment below what are some of your favorite activities to pass the time indoors. Comment below, I'd love to hear them, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.